Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to set the location name using hostnamectl command in AlmaLinux 8 operating system. So setting the location for a computer will be useful if you use your computer in geographically distributed networks, so that you can identify your computer, where is your computer is located. Okay, login as a root user. I am giving hostnamectl command. It does not show me any location. So I am setting the location, hostnamectl set hyphen location, Chennai location I am giving. Now you can see that location is got set and location is got displayed. So this is the command, hostnamectl space set hyphen location, location name. It's the command used to set the location. You can also clear the location. So this is the command to clear the location or delete the location. See here, after giving that command, location is got deleted. So anyway, I am putting back another location because I need some location details of the computer, where it is located. So this command will useful for you to distinguish your computer, that is where your computer located, where is your computer is located, those types of details